Hi everyone and welcome to Oscar Outdoors. Join me in this one as we talk about the FlextailGear Tiny Pump X. Everyone, as in the little intro, today we're talking about this, the FlextailGear Tiny Pump X. Now, I've used this a couple of times. It's been an absolute game changer for me. I took it on my Lake District wild camp, which I'll flash up here for you, and I used it in that, and it's basically saved my lung capacity after doing the big hikes and things on the way, sort of walking around the reservoirs and whatnot, and then getting to camp and then having to blow your mat up and everything else. So it actually saved my lung capacity on that occasion. Another good benefit of something like this is it stops you breathing moisture into your air mat and sort of damaging cells over a long period of time, you know, softening them or making them membraney or whatever. So yeah, there's no moisture going in there because it's completely dry, sort of manufactured air. So the weight of it as it is 89 grams. It's got a 5 volt input and the pressure is 3.5 K. And the flow rate is 180 L per minute. I don't know what that means. It says endurance is 15 minutes, so it means it can run for 15 minutes continuously. And the battery is 1300 milliamp hour. It's USB-C rechargeable. Plus the compressor, it helps to blow things up, and obviously the size of it is just phenomenal. Right, let's get it open and show you what's inside. So the first nozzle I'm going to show you is this one here. And that one is for items with this sort of fit attachment on here. So obviously this is armbands, but some sunbeds and things like that come on there, you know, the pool loungers, whatever. So you just press it into there, and then you've got an outlet and an inlet port. So you click the outlet on there, so obviously it's suctioning out onto the centre of the hole. Just press on and then double tap. One tap. Seconds there, want it? Turn it over and do the other side. If you're like me and got a lot of kids, when you go swimming, blowing up armbands is a bit of a nightmare. So again, double tap. This completely alleviates the need to do that. So there you go, that's one armband up. So I'll just show you that in reverse again. So what you do to deflate it, same again, just attach your nozzle in there. And then if you put it on here, and then double tap again. That's that side down again. Same on this side. Yeah, and then they can be packed away, ready to go out another day. And the next one that I'm going to show you is this one here. This is a 20mm opening, and then again you'll just put it on the outlet there, and this is for this sort of tap here. So this is the Trekology UL80, but yeah, just make sure that the tap's in completely, and then pop in and then double tap, and just sit back and watch. Okay, so there you have it. So that took about a minute and a half. Now this one just has a one-way valve, so to deflate it, it's just a simple pull of the plug and just watch it go. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. So the next mat that we've got for you is the Snugpack Basecamp Ops. It's got a different kind of tap on, so it's one of the twist and inflate ones. So to use it on this one, you'd need two little pieces. So you'd need the smaller diameter neck and then like a little rubber adapter. So you push the rubber adapter across, giving you the wide opening just here, and then you'd connect it onto the tap like so. So you just encompass it, and then that should just give you a tight seal. So open up your tap, push this over, and then again connect the pump itself, making sure you seal tight, and then double tap, and away you go. Okay, so that took again about 1 minute 42 seconds. Now to deflate it, obviously it's going to be the same pieces but attached into the top here. So connected straight on it there, and then using the rubber sort of sleeve, boot, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll open up the tap. Then compass, and then should see it slowly deflating. See, if you're a Regulator channel, you'll know exactly what this is. This inside there is my sleep suit that I use in like deep winter camping, and then I've just got a little vacuum storage bag. So again, the FlextailGear is capable of doing this as well. So you take off your tap of your bag there, and you've got this little attachment nozzle here. You can screw that directly onto there if you screw it the right way. So you've got yourself a tight seal, and then you just put your tiny pump on there as well, and then let it do its magic. So that's done. So yeah, there you go, the FlextailGear Tiny Pump X. So this has been a quick look at the FlextailGear Tiny Pump X and all the features. So if you've enjoyed this video and it's helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, let me know what you thought. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel by pressing this. There'll be more videos here and here for you. See you in a bit.